Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we've got this DCF887 Dewalt impact driver. It's a 3-speed, oldie but a goodie. This one's got two problems. I'm going to show you what they are. Sort of missing. That's an issue with the switch. It's got another issue which is also very common. The bit holder not staying in. So to deal with those two problems you need small screwdriver, small pick, a spring to replace in this chuck, and the part number of it is N437890. And to deal with the switch issue we need a T10 Torx and some electrical contact cleaner. The thing we have to do is get this open, get the screws out. There you are. So just take the cover off. There's a bit of dust in here, so we're going to just give it a blow out with the airline. What you can do to improve the performance of these is spray it with electrical contact cleaner and around the motor and then around the switch here, and work the switch when you're doing it. There's a little switch in there at the bottom. Give it a bit of a blast. You know. That should be enough for that. Now we'll just put the cover back on and then we'll fix the chuck. Let's start back together now. We'll just put a battery in to see if that improved the performance. Pretty good. Now you have to just fix the chuck. To fix the chuck you have to remove this item here. It's a little ring, retaining ring at the start here. Use a little pick to get in under it, like that. There we are. There's the retaining ring, and you have a little washer then, and you have a spring. Those are all fine. Those will be able to be used. Then you take the cover off, and there's a little ball in there. Be careful not to lose that. I'll have to get that out and not lose it. There it is, right there. And then we get to the offending item, which is the broken spring. And we have one right here to replace it. You can see the difference in the new one and the old one. You can see there's a bit broken off, and that's what's caused the issue. You need that little bit there to retain the ball in its position. So we're going to just put that on and then stick the ball on. You see you put that into the hole there, and we're going to do is set the ball on here now, like that. Okay, and we set that sleeve over the top, put the spring in, the washer, And the actual hard part now is getting it all forced down and getting this retaining clip back on. So the washer, then the retaining clip. That's the retaining clip. So it goes in the top. You remember I took that off. Nearly. There we are. We're one on now. Let's put one end of it down. Push that down now. That took way more than it should have. But it's done now. And I'm going to add a little bit of grease for good measure. Because why not? Might as well. And that's perfect. Perfect. That's the two fixes complete. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Check out my channel for all my other videos.